A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is expression of gratitude, a powerful alignment with the cosmic code. Ladies and gentlemen, across space and time, from ancient chants to quantum equations, existence reveals itself as an intricately designed interplay of energies, patterns, and purpose. Within this vast architecture, the human presence is not an accident. It is an echo of the same intelligence that guides galaxies, grows forests, and sustains life. Gratitude, often perceived as a simple act of thankfulness, is far more than a social courtesy. It is, in essence, a tuning mechanism, one that aligns human consciousness with the deeper rhythms of the universe. It is the key that unlocks a powerful alignment with the cosmic code. Humanity exists as part of a meticulously structured cosmic system where every element, seen or unseen, vibrates in energetic synchrony. Life on Earth, seemingly isolated in the vast expanse of the cosmos, thrives through an invisible yet vital alignment with natural laws. This alignment is not passive. It is designed to be dynamic, interactive, and responsive. The human brain, with its electrochemical complexity and quantum sensitivity, is engineered to interface with this cosmic energy field. Its architecture supports a profound function to receive, interpret, and respond to the universal flow. In doing so, it crafts a reality shaped by thought, emotion, and perception. This interaction is not random. Its effectiveness depends on alignment, a resonance between the internal and the external, the finite and the infinite. And alignment, by its nature, arises from a conscious bond. Forging such a bond with the intelligent fabric of the cosmos is not just mystical suggestion. It is biologically and spiritually encoded into the very strands of human DNA. In ancient traditions, this was known intuitively. The Vedic texts described Rata, the cosmic order to which life must attune. The Tao spoke of harmony with the flow of the universe, and across cultures, sages pointed to a singular truth: acknowledgement nourishes connection. Modern science now begins to echo these insights. Quantum biology reveals how emotions influence cellular behavior. Neurology shows how gratitude activates the brain's reward centers and enhances emotional resilience. Quantum physics continues to explore the role of the observer, suggesting that consciousness and energy exchange are intertwined in shaping outcomes. In this energetic universe, gratitude is not mere sentiment. It is a high frequency signal. It is reciprocation, appreciation, and acknowledgement for the positive emotional energy received. Like tuning an instrument to a cosmic frequency, gratitude fine-tunes the self toward harmony. This is not metaphoric poetry, it is measurable transformation. And just as this principle applies to the cosmos, it applies to every bond in life. Any relationship, personal, societal, or global, strengthens through acknowledgement. Gratitude, when practiced consistently, becomes a force of coherence, building trust, deepening connection, and fostering emotional sustainability. What's the way forward? In an age of information saturation and emotional depletion, consciously practicing gratitude can be revolutionary. Even simple acts, a morning pause in thankfulness, a moment of silent reverence, or a written acknowledgement of blessings initiate powerful recalibration. What ancient wisdom intuited, modern science now quantifies. Gratitude reorganizes neural pathways, balances hormonal chemistry, and lifts emotional states. As one expresses gratitude internally or outwardly, the self attunes more closely to the universal flow. Like a compass pointing to true north, gratitude provides direction, transforming chaos into clarity, noise into music, and disconnection into belonging. It builds the bridge between the self and the source. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, gratitude is not merely a virtue, it is a vibration, a sacred alignment, a conscious act that allows human life to resonate with the larger intelligence guiding creation. It empowers transformation not through force but through frequency, shifting perception, recalibrating biology, and inviting coherence into every interaction. The Bhagavad Gita reminds, as one believes, so one becomes. Gratitude is belief in abundance. It is the affirmation that goodness exists, has been received, and is acknowledged. In expressing it, alignment happens, not just with others, but with the great silent intelligence that holds all things together. To live in gratitude is to live in resonance with the sacred architecture of existence. In such resonance, transformation is not an exception. It becomes a way of being. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.